Hello. Welcome back to my channel with another video. This video supposed interesting peoples who's writing code, from any programming languages. Because I will show you how you can start coding from your Android device, after installing the famous idle, the Vscode on your phone. Be nice to subscribe and keeping tuned for my next videos. Thank you. Firstly, you need this app on your phone, called Termux. It's a command console. If you are new here, I will leave you the video link to how you can install it in description. Dude, no need to superhumane to copy this command from the video, because I will leave it in description below. The video is only RASON to show you the way if you block for some RASON. The only thing you need to do before start copying lines from description, is clicking subscribe and like buttons. After that, follow the steps on video, and you will get Vscode on your phone. So, hope you like my video, and enjoy coding. Thanks for watching. We are in the lasted steps. Type password here, because you need it to open program after installing. Do not do the same fault I do, and write the code between brackets, because you need to write it to enter every time you open program. After this step, write code server to get localhost and copy it into any browser you have on your phone. He asks you the password, type your password, and Vscode get started. If you are familiar with the program, you will know how you can add your programming language to Vscode. I will do it anyway. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe me.